Hey there! Welcome to this walkthrough of the device journey inside the SecPod CVEM platform. Today, we're going to follow how a device flows through the platform, from discovery to detecting vulnerabilities and misconfigurations, prioritizing what matters, and finally, remediating these through patching. All of it managed end-to-end inside SecPod CVEM. Let's jump in. To keep this walkthrough streamlined, we've already onboarded a Windows 2019 server by installing the SecPod agent. It's automatically been grouped under our internet-facing group based on its IP range. As soon as the device is on board, SecPod kicks off the discovery phase. Now, discovery isn't just about registering that a device exists. SecPod collects detailed hardware-level insights, like the hostname, IP and MAC address, system configuration, storage details, basically, everything you'd want to know about the physical and software profile of a machine. But it goes further. SecPod also identifies all the installed applications, running processes, open ports, and background services, giving you a complete, real-time snapshot of the device, all from a single place. With discovery complete, SecPod transitions directly into the detection phase. Let's start with misconfigurations. Using the Compliance Management module, you can set up a custom benchmark or choose from one of the built-in templates, things like NIST, HIPAA, PCI STIG, or CIS. These aren't locked-in defaults. You can tweak values, disable parameters, or fully customize them to meet your internal compliance standards. Once the benchmark is ready, the SecPod agent scans the device automatically. If any user modifies configurations on a device after the benchmark is applied, these changes will be detected during the next automated scan, allowing the platform to identify any resulting misconfigurations. In this case, our Windows 2019 server came back with 32 missing configurations. And the best part, these aren't just reports. You can fix the misconfigurations right from within the same interface, in a controlled and safe way. Next up, vulnerabilities. SecPod runs daily automated scans to detect vulnerabilities across your environment. Inside the Vulnerability Management module, you'll see a full list of detections across devices. Filtering by the internet-facing group narrows that view to just the devices that are externally exposed, like our Windows 2019 server. Each vulnerability includes detailed fix info. You can take action immediately, either apply the fix or temporarily exclude it if it's something you plan to defer. It's fully flexible and under your control. Now, with all these detections in place, comes a real-world question: how do you know what to fix first? That's where prioritization comes in, and SecPod helps with that using the SSVC framework. Inside the platform, head over to the Configurations tab. This is where you can assign business context to your devices, for example, marking them as internet-facing, data-centric, or even critical infrastructure. These tags aren't just labels, they give SecPod the context it needs to evaluate what's important to your environment. From there, SecPod automatically ranks vulnerabilities not just based on severity, but also on potential impact to your business. So instead of reacting to every detection equally, you're now fixing the most critical issues first, where they matter the most. With priorities set, we move to the final step, remediation. This happens in the Patch Management module. Here, you get a view of all missing patches across devices. Filtering again by the Windows 2019 server shows you exactly what needs attention. When you select a patch, you get a task window with full control. Deploy right away or schedule it for a custom date and time. Set reboot behavior. Define end times and maintenance windows. Send user notifications. Run pre- or post-deployment scripts. Even test deployments in a smaller group before a full rollout. Once you're ready, just hit Apply Patches and SecPod takes care of the rest. If something needs to be rolled back, that can be done right from the same console, no extra tools required. Now, to take things even further, the platform supports full automation. For example, if you want to automatically patch low or medium severity issues for a specific application, like 7-zip, you can create a rule. Saner will apply patches silently as they're detected in a fully controlled way. And to track everything in real time, just head over to the Status tab, where you'll see the live status of all patch tasks. Now, everything we've walked through, from onboarding and discovery, to detection, prioritization, and remediation, rolls up into a single place, the unified dashboard. This dashboard gives you an instant overview of your security and compliance posture. At the top, you'll see the device universe, showing how many devices are active, inactive, newly added, and how they're distributed across operating systems like Windows, Unix, and Mac OS. You'll also get visibility into device groups, subnets, user groups, and outdated applications. To the right, there's the Cyber Hygiene Score, a visual indicator that quickly shows how healthy your environment is, helping you spot areas that need attention. Just below that is the detection section, where risks are categorized into software vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, posture anomalies, and missing patches. Each category gives you a breakdown by severity, along with risk trends and how many devices are affected. Scrolling down, the prioritization area comes into focus. The SSVC-based funnel maps risks into zones like track, attend, and act, while the radar chart highlights the key factors that influence prioritization, including exploitability, automation potential, and business impact. Finally, the remediation section brings it all together, showing recommended fixes, affected devices, and completed actions like reboots or rollbacks, all from one place. So whether you're scanning for risks, approving fixes, or validating actions, the unified dashboard ties it all together, giving you total visibility and control across your environment. Thanks again for following along, and I'll see you in the next one.